Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video, and I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance. If you hear my cat, she's having a fit. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna do a quick recap on what's going on in the beginning of this video. Alright guys, in this part of the video, what I'm talking about is all the stuff that I did. I sand down the car down to the metal and where the dings and dents are. I had to spray primer on it in the areas where there's metal showing so it didn't rust through or the paint would adhere to it better. Right here I'm talking about the hood, which will be in a different video. If you want to watch that video, click up the link above. That is the 94 to 95 side scoops. Had to cut a hole in my wheel well in order for them to work, because those do actually work. Took out my antenna, and that's really it. That's all I really did with the car. Just finished it off, getting it ready for paint. So now let's go ahead and continue on to the intro. Is everybody painting? Like, is everybody painting cars? Because literally everywhere I went, there has been no paint equipment. Like, I had to search up and down just to find some of these paint equipment. I understand the respirators because, you know, the whole COVID stuff going on. But come on, Bondo, fiberglass, I had to try and find those, and it was extremely hard. I couldn't find the paint mixing buckets because somebody bought 30 of them. Anyway, let's go ahead and get back to sanding. Okay, now that the compressor is off, I decided to go over the car with 240 grit sandpaper. This is empty, obviously. It's not 220, but it's 240, so it's a little bit finer grit, which should help out with the finish. I just found out there's surface rust all along the front of this. For some reason, the white in these year models, the paint of it start peeling up right here. Went ahead and sanded down, got all that rust off. The roof is done. Well, not done. I still got to put primer on it. I'm gonna spray primer on it once I get it ready to paint. So I'm gonna put the plastic over the windows and tape it off and all that. It's a lot of work. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is a lot of work. Yeah, I'm finna do that with the roof with the primer, and then I'm finna wet sand it. And after I wet sand it, everything should be good to paint. So fingers crossed everything is just spot on perfect, but that don't ever happen. Hopefully we get as close as we can to it. That's probably gonna be it for tonight, because I'm tired. You see it's late right now, so I was working on this and the hood. Yeah, the roof gonna need some work. But thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out the links below. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video, all right?